Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best rolling chair cover slipcover, the Smiry Stretch Printed Computer Office Chair Cover. If you're looking to protect your office chair and give it a fresh, stylish look, this cover might be just what you need. The Smiry chair cover is made from a combination of 95% polyester and 5% spandex, making it not only soft and comfortable but also highly elastic. This elasticity helps the cover fit snugly over your chair, providing excellent protection from spills, stains, and daily wear and tear. Whether you've got an old, worn-out office chair or just want to keep your new one looking pristine, this cover offers a durable solution. One of the standout features of the Smiry chair cover is its fashion-printed design. With various patterns to choose from, you can easily find one that suits your office decor. The design is not just for looks, it also combines style with durability, giving your chair a new lease on life. You won't just be protecting your chair, but also enhancing the overall aesthetic of your workspace. Installation is a breeze with the Smiry chair cover. It comes with zippers on both sides of the backrest for easy and secure fitting. Simply open the zippers, slide the cover over the chair, and pull the two ties under the bottom to ensure the cover stays in place. This simple installation process means you'll have your chair looking fresh and protected in no time. The Smiry chair cover is designed to fit a wide range of office chairs. It fits back heights from 27.5 to 31.5 inches, seat widths from 17.7 to 23.7 inches, and seat lengths from 17.7 to 22.8 inches. The size guide in the product images can help you measure your chair to ensure the perfect fit. So, no matter what type of chair you have, this cover is likely to fit just right. When it comes to maintenance, the Smiry chair cover is incredibly easy to care for. It's machine washable, so you don't have to worry about cleaning it by hand. Just toss it in the washing machine with cold water, use a mild detergent, and it'll come out looking as good as new. It's important to wash it separately on a gentle cycle, and avoid using bleach to preserve the fabric. In conclusion, if you're looking for a way to protect and update the look of your office chair, the Smiry Stretch Printed Computer Office Chair Cover is a fantastic option. With its soft, stretchy material, easy installation, and stylish design, this cover provides great value for the price. Whether you're trying to protect your chair from wear or just want a new look, the Smiry chair cover has you covered. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more great reviews.